refuse to talk nonsense. Let you know in a minute the characteristics of the Fahai temple must hit the attractions. The temple is famous for the 5 best. 1 is the 4 cypress, a whole bridge, stone bridge in the 4 corners of the stone crevice each grows a cypress, become a wonder. Second, the 2,000-year-old white pine in front of the main hall. The crown is more than 30 meters high, equivalent to the height of a 10-story building. Pale and mottled trunks such as dragon scales lifelike, from a distance, like 2 silver dragon guarding the hall. The third is the Ming Dynasty dragon new ancient bronze bell, weighing 1 ton, with a thick bell sound and more than 8,000 words engraved inside and outside with the Paramitha Heart Sutra and Vajra Sutra canonical incantations. Very precious. Fourth is the algae mandala, the main hall on the top of the round ceiling painted Vijaya Buddha and Bodhi image, very exquisite. Fifth, the Ming Dynasty 10 frescoes need to make reservations to buy tickets. The current frescoes can always go to the Fahai Temple Fresco Art Museum to see its style, which is 5 meters high. Water Moon Guanyin statue is particularly shocking, is considered by the art world in China as a treasure of Buddhist painting. I am Kanan Ro, follow me and pray for your family together.